Did it get into the singularity and pop back in?
Turbo rebuild. Okay, this 110 dude is.
Yeah, has a long bolt.
You ever seen a long bolt?
I'm gonna put it in there.
You ever seen a long bolt?
Seal.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Get these 3 little 8 mils. Never grind.
No, just buy a new one. It's only 300 something bucks, which is still a lot of money, but
The new banger.
it's more power. More power, baby.
More power. This is the turbo guide here.
Inspection, realignment, turbocharger installation instructions.
Easy plug 4. Easy plug 2. So it's literally gonna sit like this then, right?
There's no gaskets with it though.
Damn, really?
Wait, does that one have?
It's just a plug. No.
No?
Well, at least it doesn't have this little like, flap like that.
Alright. We're gonna put it together, and if I have to get the gaskets for it.
You might have to.
Sure.
Because that's just a turbo coolant gasket, I believe.
Yeah.
I think that's what you look at. Just Rock Auto, right?
Yeah, anything.
Probably cheapest.
Fucking anything.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna do that right now. I'm on my phone.
Sheesh!
Hey, that's a turbo.
There we go.
That's an exducer. I meant to ask, when you plan on getting that 240 volt so you can get that compressor going? Good?
No.
Damn it, seriously?
Let's go in the machine shop too.
There you go. There's the front stamp. You can see the sealant that they have in there. This is the front portion of the cartridge. You can see that the pins are chewed up. It's wobbly.
Kind of broken bolt, kind of weak. I mean, what did you expect, right? It's got all the temperature on it, like.
We're going to clean all this up.
These ones came out.
You got a scraper. Yeah. You got a scraper. I don't even know if that'll get this carbon deposit off on this ring here.
It's close.
It's a little disenchanting though, isn't it? The bolt snap. I mean, you gotta wait for the seals anyway, so.
Yeah. Shit.
Super teeny. Turbo. So what is it? This side? No.
Wherever the hole is. No.
No, this one goes like this, so this is gonna go like this. What side did he?
You just have to line up with the mark. Yeah. There's a hole. And I'm like, duh.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, can't. Right now. However this
Let's
goes.
do it before it sets up.
It's this way.
I mean, it looks good. This EGR, or this, is right in between
Yeah.
the holes, the bolt holes.
It's a little bit smaller, but we'll have to do until we get the new turbo.
Wait, was that? Oh, I shouldn't put the whole thing.
Oh, oops. It is the other one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not snapping. Oh, that other one is gonna snap.
Alright, that's together, my dude. So we're not gonna put this other stuff on because we need to wait for pressure washer. So this is good.
Should be.
So this is.
Oh, it's so simple. Hold on.
So now we can. Do you want to put this back?
Why is that going so easy?
Shit, why don't we just put it in here? Just put every turbo thing. These. This. Oh. I think these turbo parts. And that's the heat shield right there.
Yeah, all this stuff goes somewhere on the block.
Okay.